Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 25 June Wednesday 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 4, number 8, number 14, number 18, number 32, number 36. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 4, number 8, number 15, number 18, number 32, number 36. Today lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 11, number 17, number 21, number 37, number 41, number 44. Now lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 11, number 17, number 21, number 37, number 41, number 44. Today lunchtime booster ball numbers: number 2 and number 8 and number 48 and number 49. Now lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 2, number 8, number 48, number 49. Now tea time prediction for 25 June Wednesday 2025. Now tea time single prediction numbers: number 5, number 7, number 11, number 29, number 28, number 34. Now tea time single prediction number repeat: number 5, number 7, number 11, number 29, number 28, number 34. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 16, number 18, number 23, number 36, number 41, number 44. Today tea time second prediction number repeat: number 16, number 18, number 23, number 36, number 41, number 44. Now tea time booster ball numbers: number 17 and number 28, number 39, number 43. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat: number 17 and number 28 and number 39 and number 43. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel.